Hey everyone, and welcome back to Danvar Tech. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a brand new Instagram account from scratch. It's simple, fast, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to dive into the world of Instagram. Let's get started. Open your Instagram app. Now, we want to create a new account, so go ahead and click on Create New Account. If you have a phone number, enter it. If you'd prefer to use your email, press Sign in with email. Now, enter your email address and move on to the next step. Enter your confirmation code and move on to the next. Now create a strong and secure password and press the next button again. If you want to save your login info, press the Save button. Set your correct date of birth and click on Next. Enter your name and move on to the next. Now set your username as you want, move on to the next, and press I agree. Add your profile picture by choosing from your mobile gallery. And follow these few steps. Now, boom, your account will be created. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. Hit the bell for updates and drop your comments below. Follow these steps and see you next time.